Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Destiny 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install the Destiny 2 game on your PC, you will either need to have an Epic Games or a Steam account. If you don't have it already, you can open up your web browser and go to store.steampowered.com or epicgames.com in order to download the respective Steam or Epic Games store. Once you have downloaded or installed either one of these applications, just open it up and proceed forward with logging in or signing up with your account. Once you are logged into the store, just tap on the search box and then type in and search for the Destiny 2 game. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and you will see the Get button. Go ahead and click on this button and then click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. Finally, click on Place Order, and now you will be able to download and install the game right away. Once the installation is completed, you can simply open up the application or by searching from your Windows search. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Destiny 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.